not going to be able to hear me over the sound of these chainsaws, but these 30-year-old Leylands are now history. And of course, they had to come down. This one is actually leaning on top of the roof here at my home in Centerville. Treescapes, that is Treescapes, is over here doing their thing. These 3 Leylands will be removed, and the row of old Juniper virginiana you see in the distance. And the stumps will be ground. And then, of course, a new planting here along the property line. And it's our hope that once this large Leyland is down, that this native holly will be able to grow to the light on that side and be a much more nicely shaped tree.